Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download Widgetable app on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course. And for this video, it will be made on the App Store. As you can see, it is opened here in front of us, so only for iPhone users. So now when you're here, as you can see, we have the Today screen, we have the games, we have the apps, we have the arcade screen, and the search bar at the end, where we actually need to go and type in the search bar, which is on the top. We just need to go and type Widgetable. So as you can see, when we type WID, we already have it as the first option. Click on it. And here we have, as you can see, again, it is the first option. Click on it. And here, guys, as you can see, we have a lot of going on. So we have the rating, which is paid 5.0, the age, we have the chart, developer, we have the language, and the size of the application. Here you can see some pictures, how the app actually looks, and if you're in the right place, if that is what you want to go and download. And here we also have some reviews, but you can also see some written reviews here. We can see some more things here, as you can see, on the technology and everything about the specifications and everything. When you chose that you want to actually go and download it, you just need to go and click on get. Then you need to go and double click, get your Face ID done, and here it will go and start downloading now. As you can see, it's downloading fast now. It's about 300 megabytes, as you can see. And just a second. Here, when it downloads, you will see the next option, which you can do. Here it is. We have the open, where you just need to go and click on open, and the application will open. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.